Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook ad account. Follow this step-by-step guide to connect your Instagram with your Facebook ad account. First of all, open Facebook Meta Business Suite and its URL is business.facebook.com. Here, make sure to select your business account to work with. Here, also make sure you have connected your Instagram account with your Facebook page. Now, click on Settings and select Business Assets. Click on Instagram Accounts, and here you will get your connected Instagram account. You can also add your Instagram account by clicking on Add Assets. Once done, click on your Instagram and click on Connect Assets. And click on Other Business Assets. Connect other assets such as ad account. Make sure you have your Facebook ads account. Then here you will get your ad account. Just select the ad account you want to connect your Instagram with and click on add, and your Instagram account will be connected to the ad account. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.